Did you know a Roman empress poisoned her own husband to crown her son, and then her son built a sinking boat just to kill her? Agrippina the Younger was one of the most dangerous people in Rome. She married Emperor Claudius, her own uncle, and then had him poisoned with mushrooms at dinner in 54 AD. Her teenage son Nero stepped onto the throne exactly as she planned. For a while, she ruled beside him. Her face was stamped onto imperial coins next to his. She sat in on Senate meetings. She was Rome in every way that mattered. But Nero grew tired of sharing power with his mother. So he had a boat secretly built with a hull designed to collapse and sink mid-voyage. Agrippina boarded it on a calm evening. The hull gave way, she fell into the sea, and then she swam to shore. Nero sent soldiers to finish the job. They found her in her villa and killed her there. She'd spent her whole life building a trap. She just never imagined she would be the one inside it.